In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Canadian Tire promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to google.com. And now in the search box, type in Canadian Tire promo code. And from here you'll be taken to Google search results. So right off the bat, we've got a few third-party sites that are great at getting promo codes. So we've got Coupon Follow, Coupon.today. If we scroll down, Worth the Penny and Real Tell Me Not. You can check out any one of these third-party sites for promo codes. But the one I like to use is called Coupon Follow. So 70% off in January. So if I want to save up the 70% off kitchen must-haves, I can get this deal. Save up the 50% off, get this deal, etc. These coupon promo codes do change at daily, weekly, or monthly, so be sure to check them out at different times. And you can also see on couponfollow.com previously offered promo code deals. So if we scroll down here, it will say previously featured offers and deals. So you can check out that. And that's great to know because you might be able to score one of these bargains again in the future. So say if I want to activate this 50% off, I'm going to click onto the code. And now the code will take us to another page, or actually takes us straight to Canadian Tire to redeem that deal automatically. But sometimes these, yeah, there you go, no coupon code needed. So yeah, save up the 50% or no code. If I want to activate this code, I'll click on get this deal. And it's probably going to redirect me straight to Canadian Tire. So that deal is activated, and continue with your purchase and enjoy your 70% off kitchen must-haves or 50% off your order.